Hey guys, welcome to this Shona tutorial where we'll be teaching you the phrases he or she will and he or she will not in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. He or she will in Shona becomes the prefix. Take note, the prefix acha. Acha. So it becomes the prefix of the doing word or the action verb that precedes he or she will in the sentence. I think you will get a better understanding when we do example sentences, but take note, it does not get translated into a word, but it gets translated into, or it becomes a prefix, the prefix acha. Acha. That's why you see these dots here. It means it becomes a prefix of the action word or the verb that precedes he or she will in the sentence. Let's do some examples. He or she will wait for you in Shona becomes acha kumirira. So take note, in this example sentence, wait is the doing word in this sentence. So he or she will, that when it gets translated to Shona, that prefix will be combined with this doing word. So in this example, you can see he or she will gets translated to this prefix acha. Wait in Shona, it's mirira, which is just this part, mirira. But when it's wait for you, it becomes kumirira. Now, he or she will wait for you. So now we combine this prefix to wait for you. Wait for you in Shona, it's kumirira. So they get combined. So he or she will becomes the prefix of wait for you, which is kumirira. That's why you see the translation is acha kumirira. It becomes one word. Acha kumirira. I hope you get the concept here. Let's do my example so that you get the hang of it. He or she will miss you in Shona becomes acha kusua. Acha kusua. So he or she will gets translated to acha. Miss you, it's kusua in Shona. Kusua. Right. So now when we translate this to Shona, we take this one, he or she will, and make it the prefix of kusua. So when we translate it, it becomes one single word, which is acha kusua. Acha kusua. Acha kusua. Acha kusua. Okay. Another example. He or she will forgive you. In Shona, it becomes one single word, which is acha kuregerera. Forgive you, it's kuregerera. 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 That's forgive you. So now when we translate this, so if you know how to translate the doing word or the action verb here, it becomes easier for you to translate the sentence to Shona, because you know he or she will gets translated to the prefix acha, and then forgive you, which is kuregerera, and then you combine them, acha kuregerera. It becomes one word, acha kuregerera. Okay, another example. He or she will support you. In Shona, it becomes one word. Acha kutigira. Acha kutigira. He or she will, the prefix acha, support you. In Shona, it's kutigira. Kutigira. So when we translate this whole sentence, we know he or she will become the prefix of support you in Shona. So it becomes acha kutigira. Acha kutigira. Acha kutigira. He or she will support you. I hope it's understandable. Now, going to the negation of he or she will, which is he or she will not. When we translate this to Shona, it becomes the prefix haacha. Haacha. Take note, it becomes the prefix haacha. So I think, as you can notice, that in this case now we have added ha in front of acha. So this is sort of like negating it. Acha. 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 So he or she will not becomes the prefix haacha. And take note, both haacha and acha, they are gender neutral and they work for both he will not or she will not, because they both get translated to the same prefix haacha. Okay, let's do some example sentences. He or she will not smile. So in this case, smile is the action verb. So he or she will not, when we translate it to Shona, it will become the prefix of the action verb smile. So in Shona, smile, it's sekerera. Sekerera. When we translate this sentence to Shona, it becomes haacha sekerera. Haacha sekerera. It becomes quite a lengthy word, but if you're following me, I think you are now getting the hang of how he or she will not or he or she will gets translated to Shona, or how it works when it's in Shona. So he or she will not haacha sekerera becomes one word. Haacha sekerera. Okay, another example. He or she will not come. Come, it's the verb here, is the action word here. So he or she will not will become the prefix of this action verb when it comes to Shona. So let's see the translation now. Haacha uya. Come, it's uya in Shona. I know earlier we used come and it was translated to kuuya. So usually it depends with the context. Sometimes it's translated to kuuya, but depending on the context, and sometimes it's uya. So it depends with the context within which it is used. But in this case, he or she will not come. Come gets translated to uya, and he or she will not becomes the prefix haacha. So it becomes the single word haacha uya. Haacha uya. He will not come or she will not come. Another example. He or she will not forgive you. In Shona, that becomes haacha kuregerera. So in this case, forgive you is our action word here, or is the doing word here. So you know already that this he or she will not will become the prefix or combined to this word forgive, or the action word here. So the translation becomes haacha, which is he or she will not, that becomes the prefix. Forgive you in Shona, it's kuregerera. Kuregerera. So it becomes one word. He or she will not forgive you becomes one word. Haacha kuregerera. Haacha kuregerera. I know this is a bit of a complicated concept, but I hope you're getting the hang of it with the examples that we are doing. Another example, he or she will not support you. So in this example, support you or support is the doing word here. So you know he or she will become the prefix of support you when we translate it to Shona. So the translation, support you in Shona becomes kutigira. Kutigira. Support you becomes one word, which is kutigira. And so when we translate this whole sentence, he or she will not support you, haacha kutigira. Haacha kutigira. Support you, kutigira. He or she will not is the prefix haacha. Haacha kutigira. I hope you're getting the hang of it by now. And it's quiz time. So can you translate this sentence? She will not run. Okay? First try it on your own and then you get to see the answer afterwards. She will not run in Shona becomes haacha manya. Haacha manya. She will not becomes the prefix haacha. Run in Shona it's manya, which is manya. Manya. So when we translate this whole sentence to Shona, she will not becomes the prefix of run in Shona, which is manya. So it becomes haacha manya. Haacha manya. Let me know in the comment section below if you got this translation right. And thank you so much guys for joining me. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Ndatenda.